The world is watching as Super Typhoon Ragasa, the strongest storm of 2025, unleashes its fury across Asia. This is no ordinary typhoon. Ragasa's winds have soared past 285 kilometers per hour, making it a true meteorological monster. Super typhoons are the Western Pacific's most intense cyclones, equivalent to Category 5 hurricanes, with the power to devastate entire regions. Fueled by warm ocean waters, Ragasa has become a self-sustaining engine of destruction, threatening millions in its path. The storm's first target, the northern Philippines, where even a glancing blow forced thousands to flee and left at least one dead. Schools and government offices shut down, and the capital Manila braced for impact. Ragasa's initial strike was a dire warning to all in its path. This was a storm not to be underestimated, and as it moved on, its true power was only beginning to unfold. Taiwan faced Ragasa's full wrath with catastrophic flooding and landslides in Hualien. A mountain barrier lake burst, sending a deadly surge into Guangfu Township. 2 lives lost, hundreds trapped, and a vital bridge swept away. Uprooted trees, submerged cars, and entire communities cut off. Ragasa turned familiar landscapes into disaster zones. Across Taiwan, schools closed, ferries halted, and over 100 flights were cancelled as authorities scrambled to protect millions. Eastern Taiwan saw nearly 60 centimeters of rain in hours, overwhelming defenses and triggering chaos. The storm's danger wasn't just wind, it was the relentless, overwhelming rain. For Taiwan, the immediate focus is rescue and recovery, but the scars of Ragasa will linger. The island's ordeal was a stark reminder of nature's unpredictable fury. With Taiwan reeling, Ragasa set its sights on southern China and Hong Kong, sparking massive evacuations and urgent preparations. In Guangdong, 370,000 people were moved inland as authorities braced for a storm surge that could reach 5 meters. Schools and businesses closed, and the region prepared for a direct hit from the so-called King of Storms. Hong Kong raised its highest typhoon alert. Streets emptied, supermarket shelves cleared, and flights were cancelled by the hundreds. The city's transport network ground to a halt, and millions hunkered down, waiting for Ragasa's arrival. The threat extended beyond China, with northern Vietnam also in the storm's projected path. For millions, the next hours would be a tense test of preparation and resilience. Ragasa's approach revived memories of past disasters like Super Typhoon Mangkhut, which devastated Hong Kong in 2018. These storms are becoming more frequent and intense, a trend scientists link to climate change and warming oceans. Warmer seas fuel stronger typhoons, while a hotter atmosphere brings heavier rainfall and greater flood risks. The super typhoon, once rare, is now a recurring threat, and each new storm is a warning sign for the future. Ragasa is not just a weather event, it's a glimpse of what a changing climate could bring. The lessons of Mangkhut and Hato are no longer history, they're a call to action. As storms grow stronger, preparation and adaptation are more urgent than ever. Amid Ragasa's destruction, stories of resilience and community emerge. In Hong Kong and Guangdong, people stockpiled supplies, taped windows, and checked on neighbors, small acts that saved lives. Social media and government alerts kept millions informed, turning technology into a lifeline. But the aftermath is daunting. Rebuilding homes, restoring normalcy, and healing from trauma will take time and collective effort. Ragasa is a stark reminder that preparation is essential, not optional. Early warnings, robust infrastructure, and community readiness are our best defense against future storms. The true measure of resilience is not just surviving the storm, but learning and adapting for the next one. The lessons of Ragasa must shape how we face the storms of tomorrow.